Hello student, today I will discuss with you the problem areas of distributed database. In my last video, I explained you the first 3 points: distributed database design, distributed query processing, distributed directory management, in which this problem arises. Now, today I will discuss with you the next point, that is fourth point, distributed concurrency control. In distributed concurrency control, it involves the synchronization of accesses of the distributed database such that the integrity of the database is maintained. It is without any doubt one of the most extensively studied problem in the distributed database field. The concurrency control problem in the distributed context is somewhat different than in centralized framework. I think you all know concurrency control problem. This we will discuss in the last semester in operating system in database management systems. Also, here one not only has to worry about the integrity of a single database, but also about the consistency of multiple copies of a database. The condition that require all the values of multiple copies of every data item to coverage to the same value is called mutual consistency. Now, the two general classes are asymmetric concurrency control, which synchronizing the execution of user request before the execution start, and the second one, optimistic concurrency control, which executing the request and then checking if the execution compromised the consistency of the database. The two fundamental primitives that can be used with both approaches are locking, which is based on the mutual execution of accesses of the data item, and the time stamping, where the transactions are executed in some order. The next one is distributed deadlock management. In distributed deadlock management, the deadlock problem in the distributed database is similar in nature that encountered in operating systems. The competition among the user for access to a set of resources can result in a deadlock if the synchronization mechanism is based on locking. The well-known alternative of preventions, avoidance, and the detection recovery, which is also are also applied to the distributed database system. In the next topic, reliability. Here in reliability, one of the potential advantage of the distributed system is improved reliability and availability. This however is not a failure. This is however is not a features that come automatically. It is important that mechanism to be provided to ensure the consistency of the database as well as to detect failure and recover from them. Furthermore, when the computer system or network recover from failure, the distributed database should be able to recover and bring the database at the failed site up to date. This may be especially difficult in the case of network partitioning, where the sites are divided into two or more groups with no communication among them. In this case, we explored a rise algorithm and also two-phase commit algorithm. I hope you all understand. Thank you.